Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I've been on this house on and off for 2.5 years. This is an old Victoria house, over 100 years old plus. And this is the basement. I'm redoing the laundry room and part of that foyer. And in the future, I'm going to be coming back to do the 1,000 square feet of that same tile into the wine cellar and I think it's something else, a fruit cellar as well. So anyways, what I do here is I need to level this out. So I use two types of deecher strips. I just cut them up. I've had some spare. One I use a 3/8 and the other one is a 30 mil, which is a thinner. And what I do is I go across and I try to get the levelness. So what I've done here is it's all dry. The next day I just wait till it dries overnight, and then I can run my 2x4s across so I can cheat it down to the drain. So as you can see, it's leveled across. Right in that middle right there, not the one by the door, by the middle, that's the one where it's going to be straight. The one by the door is a 3/8 Detra strip, and that one has straight, but then it kind of dips and then it goes back straight. So I want to keep it straight for the laundry tub and the washer and dryer. So I actually had to pick this floor up about 1.5 inches because when the owner tore it out 2 years ago, there's still a lot of that the concrete is very wavy, you know what I mean? When you take tile off of concrete, it'll pit and everything. So what I did that actually before I did all this is I made like a slurry out of a cement, and I wet that cement down and I painted it with that slurry with a brush. And then what I did was I smoothed it with the trowel as best as I can. And this is the end result the next 2 days actually of me starting to level everything out. The reason why I do that slurry is so I can have a really good bond when I start leveling and everything. So yeah, I'm only gonna go so far because it's gonna be very tight to that other back wall there and to the foundation wall. So, and what I do is I turn my 2x4 the next day, and I level it out. And this here is the foyer, so I'm going to make sure that those two sets of Detra there. Remember, the one to the right is a thin layer, and the one to the left is a 3/8 layer. So it's very helpful. And this one here to the left, it actually goes straight and then it dips down and then goes back straight, just so you can have a flow going to the drain. All right. And it gets a little tight sometimes, but you know, it's going to be a lot easier the next day when I lay tiles. Thank you, and please come back.